Financing your dream home is easier with richmondcustomhomes.com by your side. If you're buying a home and need a flexible loan option, an FHA loan could be a great place to start. FHA loans are backed by the government and designed to help buyers who may have lower credit scores or limited savings for a down payment. Many buyers choose FHA loans because down payment requirements can be lower than some conventional options. Lenders still review your credit, income, employment history, and debt-to-income ratio to confirm you qualify. The home must also meet certain property standards and usually be your primary residence. FHA loans can be especially helpful for first-time buyers or anyone rebuilding credit after past challenges. Keep in mind, mortgage insurance is typically required, which affects monthly payments. The biggest advantage is easier access to homeownership when traditional loans feel out of reach. With the right preparation and guidance, an FHA loan can help turn your goal of owning a home into reality. For more info, Duane Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 11106478042128663, Duane at coast2coastmall.com, and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.